From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC Chief Meteorologist Ron Roberts.
All right, take a look, and we'll take a look at the weather conditions with Jacob Riley here in just a minute. But, you know, the bottom line is today that we have a lot of, cold temperatures have held on most of the day, and snow showers finally beginning to show up to the west of us. And with the most part, those light snow showers are staying to the west. But they'll get here pretty quickly, and when they do, that's when we'll start having some icy road conditions. Now let's check it out. First of all, you know, we had that precipitation overnight. Most of it is not really melted on grass or grassy surfaces, but on the freeways, let's throw it out to Jacob Riley. It's freezing to death out there. How you doing, Jacob? Are you doing all right out there? A little cold?
I'm doing all right, Ron. It is rather chilly out here, like you were saying. Temperatures really stayed at or below freezing throughout the entirety of the day today. We do have a little bit of sleet accumulation still on the ground, some light snow here in Lubbock, but those heavier totals, as you'll mention in a couple of minutes, on off to our north and west. Traffic, though, is beginning to pick up here across the area. It's rush hour in the hub city right now. Thankfully, though, as you were mentioning, TxDOT has done an amazing job across the city of Lubbock today and across the entire region, keeping those roadways cleared. But again, as that more snowfall moves in overnight tonight, we could see conditions deteriorate once again, especially on bridges and overpasses. But as you were mentioning, Ron, that sleet and snow that we saw earlier has kind of helped to cool the ground off. So now those ground temperatures are right at freezing. So anything that does fall tonight will stick and will make for a hazardous morning commute tomorrow for your Wednesday morning. But sunshine is expected to come out tomorrow afternoon, and road conditions should improve as we head into the evening hours, Ron.
Yeah, what a huge difference 24 hours will make. Thank you very much, Jacob. And again, he makes that a good valid point about how the ground is already primed for this precipitation to go all snow. Again, we're clear at this point. The bands are still well to the west of us, but we can see it here on a larger view. And these arrows simply just represent the general direction of the precipitation event that more than likely is going to be developing tonight. And at this point, it appears the Lubbock area will not be impacted until, say, even after 10 p.m. or so. So the winter weather advisory continues for most of the South Plains. In fact, the South Plains on top of the Cap Rock, except for one, Scurry County here. And the winter storm warning continues for folks that live in Clovis and Portales across eastern New Mexico. Winter weather advisory just simply means just that. We're going to be really cold, and it's going to snow. And again, when you look here on 50th Street, it's looking pretty good right now, right? Well, when you look at the forecast model, what do you see? You see it's showing precipitation, according to the North American model, already to the northwest of us. We just looked at the radar. It's not there. So already the North American model is validating poorly. And here it is showing the heavier band of snow west of Lubbock, a mix by 10 o'clock. I suspect that's going to be a little later. 1:30 though, look how quickly it gets out of here. And that's why we're not going to have a major snow event. Enough to make travel a little hazardous? Yes. But at this point in time, wintry mix with maybe 1-2 inches over the metro. Cold, rain, southeast, mainly snow remaining up in the Texas Panhandle. And ice accumulation still certainly a possibility ahead of the snow, although I think it'll transition to snow pretty quickly. Snowfall forecast showing about a trace to an inch, including the metro Lubbock area, maybe up to 2 inches northwest side and 1 to 2 inches up to the northwest. So yeah, we'll have the travel impacts will continue to be major all over the area. And Michael, you got yourself a rain gauge, because believe it or not, this is precipitation, and the snow will melt off as temperatures fall tonight near 27 degrees with the snow showers. All right, and the hour by hour forecast, you see the numbers, they'll stay below freezing as we get in the morning. That will help with the snow. 7-day forecast temperatures at 45 degrees. We'll keep it that way on Thursday. And then on Friday, well, maybe not a good day for the wind to be a little gusty. Probably be some balloons. More than likely, even better, some flowers.
That's okay. Just cover them up.
You know, you don't want your flowers flying out.
Yeah, that is true. Maybe see if we can get some insurance on them or something. I don't know. Okay, so just get through this next couple days. We'll be good.
Yes.
All right, Ron. Thank you.